Today, I'm reviewing Jackson National Life, a well-known provider in the insurance and annuities market. When you first arrive at their website, the design feels very professional and focused on financial security, but it may also feel a bit overwhelming if you're new to retirement planning. The homepage prominently highlights their annuity products, which are clearly their main focus, and they also provide information about life insurance. However, it's worth noting that their website doesn't always make the details straightforward. If you're looking for simple explanations, you might find yourself clicking through a lot of menus to find the right information. As I navigate through the site, one thing that stands out is the emphasis on education. They provide resources and articles to help explain concepts like fixed annuities, variable annuities, and retirement income strategies. This is useful for people who are just starting to research, but at times the explanations lean heavily toward promoting their own products rather than offering neutral comparisons. That might leave some users feeling they need to look elsewhere for more balanced advice. Exploring the annuity section, Jackson National Life offers a wide range of options. Their variable annuities are some of the most popular, and they market them as flexible solutions for retirement income. But the reality is that these products can be complex and come with fees that aren't always easy to understand up front. The website does list performance data and disclosures, which is a positive, but the sheer amount of financial jargon can make it hard for an average consumer to feel confident about what they're actually buying. When it comes to life insurance, the options appear more limited compared to other providers. They offer term life and some permanent coverage, but the presentation here feels secondary to their annuity business. If life insurance is your main focus, you might find Jackson National Life doesn't provide as many choices as larger insurers. Customer service is another point to consider. The website does give you ways to connect with advisors and representatives, but much of the process feels geared toward pushing you to speak with a financial professional rather than letting you explore independently. This approach can be helpful if you want personal guidance, but it can also be frustrating if you're just trying to gather basic information without pressure. Many useful links you can find in the description. The company highlights its strong financial ratings, which is important when you're thinking about long-term products like annuities. Jackson National Life has consistently received good marks from independent rating agencies, which gives reassurance about their ability to meet future obligations. That being said, financial strength alone doesn't guarantee that their products are the best fit for every customer. The overall user experience on the site is solid, with clear navigation menus, secure logins for existing policyholders, and resources for both individuals and financial professionals. But it can sometimes feel like the site is designed more for advisors than for everyday users, which makes sense since much of their business model relies on selling through intermediaries. One aspect that some customers have raised concerns about is transparency. While all the legal documents and disclosures are technically available, they're often buried in long PDFs filled with fine print. For someone trying to compare options quickly, this can be discouraging. On the positive side, Jackson National Life does provide retirement calculators and planning tools, which can help users estimate their income needs and see how different products could fit into their strategy. In my experience, Jackson National Life is a strong company with a focus on annuities, backed by good financial stability and professional resources. However, if you prefer simplicity, clarity, and broad insurance options, you might find their offerings limited or overly complex. Their site is best suited for people who are already somewhat familiar with financial products and are looking for specific annuity solutions rather than broad life insurance coverage. Thank you for watching my review of Jackson National Life. If you found this helpful, please support the channel by subscribing and liking the video so I can continue creating more honest reviews like this one.